So what is a governance? It's a process of taking decision. So process of decision taking and its implementation is governance. Process of taking decision and its implementation known as governance, PIE. So when governance is applied with the private sector, in the private sector or public sector with ethics, with ethical values is known as good governance. So in the public sphere it is applied with the ethics is known as good governance. So if this governance is applied in the private sector with good values is known as corporate governance. In public, if governance applied with the ethics is known as governance, good governance, and if this governance applied in the private sphere it's known as corporate governance. So ultimate meaning of the good governance is like social development and welfare of all people. So meaning ultimate aim of the good governance is the social development and welfare of all people. So यहाँ पे corporate governance में हम देखते हैं interest of all the stakeholders. So administration of a company based on the values and principles that protect the interest of all the stakeholders, that protect the interest of all the stakeholders. The administration of company क्या करे, administration करे company का based on the values and principle that protects interest of all the stakeholders. तो पहले shareholders का देखा जाता था, interest of only shareholder जो company के मालिक है. Now focus shift to the interest of the stakeholders. So stakeholders are shareholders and consumers are the government. Companies getting taxes to the government. Government is a stakeholder. Environment is a stakeholder. Even society where the company is based is also stakeholder. So the meaning of the corporate governance is the welfare of all the stakeholders, not the shareholders. So Gandhi के sin है commerce without morality is a sin according to Gandhi, one of the 7 sin according to Gandhi, and that is a model based on trusteeship. Gandhi promoted the model based on the trusteeship. That what are the resources that company hold? These are resources of the public, and the private company just holding the resources of the public. So it's a concept of trusteeship given by Gandhi. So Narayan Murthy talk about the compassionate capitalism. There should be capitalism, but should be compassionate towards the needs of the people. For example, Tata Group has given huge donation at the time of COVID. It runs a lot of hospital. Tata run hospitals. Infosys does not work only for its own welfare, but also innovation, bring innovation to help the society. CSR was also important component of corporate governance given in the Company Act of 2013. Is one of the important aspect of corporate governance. So all these are the shareholders in the stakeholders in the corporate governance. Competitors हो गए, employees हो गए, creditor हो गए, shareholders हो गए, environment, government, society and customer. So why corporate governance improve? Because it increases the trust and confidence in the corporates. So trust and confidence बढ़ेगा if company is following the ethical principle. It will reduce the fraud. Like Satyam scam ने देखा था, Satyam scam. So they many times do not show adequate information in the balance sheet related to the many of the scam and affect the general public. And it also protect the environment to lead to the sustainable development. Company are not following the principle of transparency and accountability, and taxes will also increase if they follow the corporate governance. Taxes will increase at the same time, the quality of service delivery will increase. So corporate governance will increase the good work culture. So efficiency of worker will increase, will ultimately lead to their satisfaction. So there will be protection of minority stakeholders. Suppose the stakeholders and these are minorities. So minority stakeholders का प्रोटेक्शन होगा. इंसाइडर ट्रेडिंग से क्या होता है, माइनॉरिटी शेयर होल्डर का नुकसान सबसे ज़्यादा होता है, तो वो कम होगा. सो व्हेन CSR इज फॉलोड इट विल लीड टू द इंक्लूसिव ग्रोथ. IG इंक्लूसिव ग्रोथ. तो ट्रस्ट बढ़ेगा तो इस फंडिंग आएगी तो इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ होगा. तो बहुत सारे फ्रॉड्स होंगे फिर तो पीपल विल थिंक अ लॉट बिफोर इन्वेस्टिंग इन द प्राइवेट सेक्टर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब एथिकल गवर्नेंस फॉलो नहीं करते तो दे टैम्पर विद द एनवायरमेंट डेटा ऑफ द एनवायरमेंट. उससे क्या होता है, एनवायरमेंट इम्पैक्ट होता है इन लॉन्ग रन, affects the health of the common citizen. So it leads to the economy and environment. So one of the major reason of NPA is the lack of corporate governance in the banks. So NPA is a poor financial management by the banks. So what are the values important in so one is transparency. So corporate governance means there's a two important thing. One is there should be proper structure, and the other the values, that there should be independent board structure. The women should be the part of the board. So independent board member कैसे चाहिए, independent board member. Women should be the part of the board. Independent audit committee कैसी होनी चाहिए, independent audit committee. Independent director चाहिए that will protect the interest of minority stakeholders. So there should be separation of MD and director, MD and CEO. So MD and CEO का separation होना चाहिए. So should be principle of trusteeship like given by Gandhi ji, and there should be accountability to government, to environment, to people, and there should be transparency, sustainability. So financial integrity, that they do not evade tax and pay tax at the right time. So protection of the minority stakeholder and fair competition, good work culture. Ensure good work culture. So this is the crux of corporate governance. There should be corporate environment responsibility, corporate social responsibility, corporate ethical responsibility. Environment, social and ethical responsibility. There's a conflict of interest. They are not able to differentiate the public interest and the private interest. So they are running the business that is profitable to the shareholders but not to the stakeholders. There's a Chanda Kochar case. So the Chanda Kochar case. The managing director of ICICI Bank. So Chanda Kochar, managing director of ICICI Bank. They are not following the ethical practice. For example, Satyam scam हो गया. Not ensuring transparency and accountability. The independent directors are not working effectively and not ensuring the interest of the minority shareholders. So concentration of power in the few people and not following the democratic spirit, like not allowing just participation of worker in the management of industries. Insider trading is one of the important issues. Insider trading is commonly seen. So critical information is shared to the few and they are taking advantage. So there is no separation of management and ownership. Should be separation between owners and managers. So in the Dhanush, according to the Dhanush principle, there should be separation between MD and CEO. And they are run by the family. For example, Reliance, agar Jio dekhe, so they are run by the family member, even though they are not expert in this. There is a last separation between family and business. So CSR introduce independent directors लेके आए. So 1/3 जो डायरेक्टर होने चाहिए इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर होने चाहिए. तो CSR वर्स इंट्रोड्यूस गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया, CSR इंट्रोड्यूस किया. इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर 1/3 होने चाहिए. फोकस किया इंडिपेंडेंट ऑडिटर्स क्या होने चाहिए, इंडिपेंडेंट होने चाहिए. So उदय कोटक कमेटी की रिकमेंडेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस. हाफ शुड बी इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर. मिनिमम 1 वुमेन डायरेक्टर, 1 वुमेन होनी चाहिए. इंडिपेंडेंट ऑडिट कमेटी होनी चाहिए एंड रिस्क मैनेजमेंट कमेटी होनी चाहिए, RMC, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट कमेटी. दिस शुड बी क्राइटेरिया फॉर इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर.